Yeah, hi. In this video tutorial, we'll be doing credit note entry in Tally, and we'll do some scheme and discount given also entries over here. So initially we can start with here accounting voucher. Now for credit note, you have to press Control F8. Okay, now see, it has to be there are two options: item invoice and accounting invoice. It has to be in accounting invoice. For that you need to press Alt I, so you can get accounting invoice. Now we can start our entry here. The date is 2nd June, and the entry is the number SCH001. Date 2nd June, I got it. Party name is Akshay. Enter. Now here I need to create a ledger. How we have done the entry in debit note, similarly same you have to do in credit note over here. Now this Akshay, we are giving like there's any GST, he's coming under any GST? No, he's not coming under any GST. We are providing him 1500 rupees discount, so GST is not there. So here it will be scheme, and earlier we were receiving in debit note. Here in credit note we are giving discounts. So scheme and discount given at the rate, the taxable is nothing, 0%. Enter. So now this will be under my indirect expense. Earlier in debit note it was my indirect income. Enter. Tax is not applicable, so not applicable. Enter. That's it. And how much is the amount? That is 1500. So without taxable it's very simple. Enter, and your this credit note is good to go. That's it. Now we'll do another entry of Mr. Piyush Jain Limited, Piyush Jain. And that is comes under the taxation, that is 12%. It's very simple. What is the date? 2nd November. F2, 2nd November. Enter. And what is the original invoice number? SCH003. SCH003. Enter. Party name is Piyush, PI. Here is the Piyush Jain. Enter. And what is the it comes under the category of 12%. Alt C. We have to do the entry scheme and discount given at the rate 12%. Enter. Indirect expense. Enter. Applicable, yes. Enter. This will be, sorry, the HSN number is 8517. This will be taxable. Enter. How much is 12%? Yes. Enter. Service. Enter. How much is the amount? 4464.25. 4464.25. Enter. How much is the state GST? Sorry, not sales GST, state GST. S. Let's remove this. S. GST. Enter. Central GST. Enter. And round off. Enter. Yes, that's it. 5000 is the amount. Yes, 5000 also is over here. Enter. And thus you need to fill the basic details. This you will keep as not applicable. Your supply and debit number will be same as SCH003. SCH003. Date is the same. The date will be 2nd November. Enter. That's it. This invoice, that tax at GST at the rate 12% is good to go. Now we'll do an entry of IGST. Again, the date is what? 2nd March. And what is the date? We have entered it. Credit note number is SCH004. SCH004. Enter. Party name is Hitesh Trading Company. Enter. Alt C. this will be scheme, SCHEME scheme, and discount given IGST at the rate 18%. Perfect. Enter indirect expense, enter applicable. Yes, applicable. HSN number is what? 3925 I got from here. 3925. Yes, interstate purchase taxable 18%. Enter. Fantastic. Enter. Good. Now how much is the amount? 2033.88, 2033.88. Enter, and IGST will come automatically. Round off. Yes, yeah, good to go. My IGST, okay, is good to go. So we have done IGST taxation also at the rate 18%. Enter. Not applicable. Debit and credit code number is the same, SCH004, and the date is 2nd March 2020. Enter. So we have learned, okay, 3 entries. That is, okay, GST at the rate 0%, GST at the rate 12%, and IGST at the rate 18%. You can see over here scheme and discount. Not here. Enter. Yeah. All the scheme and discount over here, given also as well as received. So all the details, okay, you can find over here, scheme and discount. So this much entry we have done, okay, in debit note as well as credit note. I hope you have understood the concept. Still, if you have any query, you can always ask me. Thank you very much.